Hi Mortgage Heroes, Andy Cruz here in Business Development, and this is Monday Mortgage Minute. Welcome back to a new week. Today we really only have two topics, but both of them are about kind of the same thing, and they're both pretty big news. The first thing is the opening week of January found us getting the December Fed meeting minutes, and all the speculation that was going on about the rate hikes coming up and the speed of the tapering accelerating all came true, and the market reacted to that news pretty negatively. Mortgage rates went up pretty quickly last week as the Fed announced that they see themselves doing rate hikes 3 times during the year. Now remember, that is the Fed funds rate, which is for short-term lending, things like lines of credit, car loans, credit cards, etc. But that does not affect mortgage rates directly. However, their opinion on the markets and monetary policy weighs into the bond market where mortgage money does come from. So the Fed indicating that they're not only going to remove themselves from the market faster, at the same time increase the Fed funds rate is really a reaction to the high inflation that we've been seeing for months on end. And it is not really too much people's surprise gonna happen, but having that confirmation was really more just solidified and making it concrete that we are facing some headwinds up ahead in the next couple months and maybe even for the entire year of 2022. Now, the next thing really quickly is to talk about the FHFA fees. Now, remember back in fall 2020, they had this adverse marketing fee that they tacked on to all the refinances being done during that period of time because they were expecting they were gonna have a wave of forbearances that turned into foreclosures, while at the same time they were looking to get Fannie and Freddie out of conservatorship and put them back out on their own. Well, that didn't happen and they had to walk back that fee. Well, guess what? FHFA is back again with another fee. And it's actually just an increase of their funding fee already that they have. So you're gonna see that fee be on a range and change based on whether it's a conforming loan or it's a high balance loan, but that starts on April 1st. So those of you who are already approved and you're looking for a home, make sure that you are calibrating your affordability with right now's rates if you're going to close before April 1st. If you're in the market and you're thinking about moving after April 1st, 2022, then make sure you talk to your loan officer and start calculating in what this might mean for your loan balance, what your monthly payment might look like, and start having the conversation now so you're not caught off guard. It literally is just the second week of January, so we have plenty of time between now and then to get prepared. We wanted to make sure that it doesn't catch you by surprise when we get into the spring buying season. So I don't want to get too much into the weeds about that today because it is a little bit detailed, but I just want to let you know that it is happening and it's something to be aware of. For those of you who are looking to refinance, get the refinance done before April 1st because it's going to cost you more just by waiting. Like literally interest rates changing upwards and also now a new fee or increased fee from Fannie Mae and Freddie Mac. Well, that's all we got this week. Hopefully next week I'll have something more encouraging and positive to share with you, but you also need to know what is actually happening that's affecting mortgage and real estate, so that's what we got today. As the information keeps rolling out and we kind of see how the market reacts to the Fed's decision and how fast some of these things are going to happen, you're going to see some more headlines. It's actually going to start getting more, I think, into the mainstream conversation of things because affordability is coming under heavy pressure right now with elevated house prices, increasing cost of money, inflation everywhere. We're paying for stuff, so the consumer crunch is really going to become front and center, and real estate mortgage is part of that conversation. Like always, please share this video with someone you care about who needs to know more about how to make real estate and mortgage great in 2022. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again next week.